Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Planner for team task tracking workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Planner for team task tracking workflows, start by signing into your Microsoft 365 account. Once logged in, navigate to the Microsoft Planner app from the app launcher. If you cannot find it, use the search bar at the top to type Planner and select it from the results. After opening Planner, click on New Plan to create a new task board for your team. Give your plan an appropriate name that reflects the project or workflow you'll be managing. Optionally, you can add a description for clarity on the purpose of the plan. Choose whether you want your plan to be public or private. If it's private, only members you invite will have access. Once your plan is created, you will see a blank board where you can add task buckets. Buckets help organize tasks by categories or stages of completion. To add a bucket, click on Add New Bucket and enter a name for it. Next, start adding tasks by clicking on Add Task under the relevant bucket. Enter a task name and set a due date to keep your team on track. You can also assign the task to team members by clicking on Assign and selecting their names. For each task, you can add additional details such as checklists, attachments, and comments. Use the Labels feature to categorize tasks based on priority or type. To keep everyone updated, encourage team members to comment on tasks as they progress. Monitor task completion through the progress charts available in Planner. For better visualization, consider enabling the calendar view to see tasks by due dates. Regularly review and update tasks to ensure accountability within the team. Encourage team members to mark tasks as complete when finished. You can also integrate Microsoft Planner with other tools like Microsoft Teams for better collaboration. To do this, go to the Teams app and select the team where you want to add Planner. Click on the plus icon to add a new tab and choose Planner from the options. Select the plan you previously created or create a new one directly in Teams. By following these steps, you'll have Microsoft Planner activated and set up effectively for your team's task tracking workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.